Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time on this watch. Let's start by pressing and holding the up button to open the menu. After the menu opens, you can use the up button and down button to scroll through this menu. Now, scroll through the menu, select the option called the System, and once you select it, press the Start button to enter. Here, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the Time option, and press the Start button. Now, scroll down, select the Set Time option, and if it's set to Auto, press Start button, select Manual option, then press Start button, and once the set time is set to Manual, we can scroll down, select the Time option, press Start, and now we can adjust the time to our liking. You can use the up and down buttons to change the hours. Then you can press Start button to jump to minutes, set the minutes, press Start button, set AM or PM, press Start button, and then press Start button to confirm. And as you can see, the time changed. And once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.